Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to extract text from a cell in Microsoft Excel. So, a lot of time guys, you need to actually extract the text, for example, all of these text at once using Microsoft Excel. Basically, you can do that in multiple ways. So that's what I'm going to show you in this tutorial. So first of all guys, I need you to go ahead and open Microsoft Excel and open any kind of project that you are working on or anything that you will extract the text from. Now, for example, I have this table, and yeah, as I talked before, it doesn't need to be exactly a text, it can be even numbers. So for example, in case of numbers, we can do something like that, which gonna be something like equal left, and we can do, for example, a2, so it's gonna be this one. Let's just make sure it is this one. So a2, we can make find, and then we can make something like so, like that, and we can make a2 again. So, and here -1. So here, for example, it will give us, let me just fix this real quick. A2 find, it is correctly. So a2 find, like so, -1. It's supposed to work. Wait, let me just do this, and here it is. So as you can see, that's a way of getting numbers out of text in Microsoft Excel. Well, for example, you wanted to get a text, you can just go to a text. You can, for example, Christopher, you can copy the text from here, or just go ahead and click, double click on this, copy, and click here, copy, or just go to your keyboard, copy all of this stuff, click Control C, and for example, let's paste it here, Control V. So yeah guys, that's basically how you can actually extract the text from a cell using Microsoft Excel. Thank you a lot for watching, and see you in the next video.